Yes, students, our next topic is brain booster. So in this brain booster, so we again recapitulate what we did in our workbook, okay, workbook as well as in textbook. So see here in brain booster, first topic, so fill in the blanks. So we have to fill in the given blanks. First question, the answer of the multiplication sum is called answer. After multiplication, whatever sum, so the final answer, what it is called? What it is called? It is called product. Multiplication answer is called product. Multiplication answer is called product. Next, second, in a multiplication, if the multiplier is 0, then the product will be, if the multiplier is 0, then the answer is 0, the product will be 0. What it is? 0. So if the multiplier is 0, if any number is multiplied by 0, then the answer is 0. So it means if multiplier is 0, then answer is 0. Okay. Now, one time every number is the dash itself. If one time every number, if any number is multiplied by 1, if any number is multiplied by 1, then what it will be? It will be the number itself. Number itself only the answer. Number itself only the answer. Next, the dash of 4 into 10 and 10 into 4. So the product of 4 into 10 and 10 into 4 is same. Either 4 into 10 or 10 into 4, the both are same. 4 tens are 40, 10 fours are 40. So whatever it is, so the order will change, then the product never change, that is same. Okay. Next, second question, multiply the following. Here, so 3-digit, 4-digit numbers are given. These numbers we have to multiply with a single digit number, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9 till here single digit number. From here onwards 2-digit number we have to multiply with 2-digit numbers. So then single digit number how to multiply? See here, first 3 with 1's place, 3 3's are 9, 3 2's are 6, then 3 1's are 3, 3 4's are 12. 12,369. In this way we have to multiply. First we have to multiply with 1's place, next 10's place, next 100's place, next 1000's place. Okay. From 1's to 1000's we have to multiply. We have to multiply indirect. So if you want to do in detail, so then that is your wish. Take in rough column 4123 into 3. Then do in detail. Okay. How? So I am showing here in detail. 2345 multiply with 4. First we have to multiply 4 with 5. 4 5's are 22 here. 4 was 16, 18 and here. 4 3's are 12 plus 1 13 1. 4 2's are 8 and 9. 9380. This is the product when we multiply with 4. In the similar way, 2103 multiply with 5. 2103 multiply with 5. Now multiply. 5 3's are 15, 5 here and 1 here. 5 0's are 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 5 1's are 5, 5 2's are 10. 10,515. Then, so here we have to multiply with 8. 2413 we have to multiply with 8. 8 3's are 24, 2. 8 1's are 8, 9, 10, 1. 8 4's are 32, 33. 8 2's are 16, 17, 18, 19. 19,304. So then, so how to do in direct? See here, first 9 zeros are 0, 9 twos are 18, 18 means 8 here and take 1 here, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 0 here and 1 here. 9 by the 45 plus 46. If you want to do in direct, so then you do like this. Okay. So 1 by 1, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay. You can do like this also. You can do like this also. If you want to do in detail, so then you do in detail like this. Okay. Okay. So your convenience. So if you feel that one is easy, then you follow that one. Okay. Then 12 with 0. 12 zeros are 0. 12 with 3. 12 threes are 36. 6 here and 3 here. 12 twos are 24. 24 plus 3, 24. 25, 26, 27. 27. 2760. 2760. Now, this 124 multiply with 30. Then how to multiply? First we have to multiply 124 with 3. With 3. Check. First 3. 3 with 4. 3 fours are 12 and carry 1. Then 3 with 2. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then after that 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Then 124 with 3. So what is the product? 372. Then how many zeros there in the multiplier? 1 0 is there. So that 1 0 we have to keep here. This is 3720. If you want to do this in details, you take here 124 into 3. 3 4s are 12 and 1 carry over on tens place. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 1s are 3. 372. And here 1 0 is there. That 0 we have to keep in the product. Okay. Yes, now students, multiply the following again the same. So in that from H onwards we have to continue. So here 145 we have to multiply with 42. So then how to multiply? See here, first you take 145. So 145 is a 3-digit number. So this we have to multiply with a 2-digit number. So what is that? 42. 42. Now you multiply with 2 first. 2 5s are 10, 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 1s are 2. Then after that multiply with 4. 4 is in tens place. So you take a 0 in ones place. Then after that 4. 4 with 5. 4 5s are 20. 0 in tens place, carry over on tens place. 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. 8 in hundreds place, 1 take carry over on hundreds place. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Then add 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. 5 plus 1, 6. 6090. What is your answer? 6090. This is your answer. Now, here the same 265 we have to multiply with 25. 265 we have to multiply with 25. 265. Then multiply with 25. Now, with 5 first. 5 5s are 25 to carry over on tens place. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32 and 3 carry over on hundreds place. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Now start multiplication with 2. 2 is in tens place, then take 0 in ones place first. 2 5s are 10 and carry over on tens place. 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 and 1 carry over on hundreds place. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Now you add 5, 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 3 6, 5 plus 1 6, 6625. What is your product? 6625. This is your product. Then after, now J, question number J. So then how to multiply? It is easy. So it is a 3-digit number, so we have to multiply with 6. Then first we have to multiply 6 with 1. 6 ones are 6. Next 6 ones are first. Next 6 fours are 24. 4 here and 2 carry over on hundreds place. 6 with 5. 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 2 32. And here 1 0 left, that 0 we have to keep. This is a direct form. If you want to do this, take 545 in rough column and multiply with 6. So how? 541 multiply with 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 fours are 24 and 2. 6 fives are 30 plus 2 32. In this way. Okay. Next, 265 we have to multiply with 41. How to multiply? 265 multiply with 41. First we have to multiply with 1. 1 with 5. 1 5s are 5. Then 1 6s are 6. 1 2s are 2. With 1 it is over. Now we have to multiply with 4. 4 is in tens place. 4 is in tens place, so we have to keep a 0 in ones place. Now we start our multiplication. 4 5s are 20, 0 in tens place and 2 also in carry over on tens place. 4 6s are 24, 24 plus 2 26. 6 is in hundreds place and 2 carry over on hundreds place. Okay. Next, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. Then add 5 plus 0 5, 6 plus 0 6, 2 plus 6 8, 0 and 1. It is 10,865. What is your answer? 10,865. Then I, J, K, next L. Then it is our 3-digit number, so we have to multiply with 3-digit number. Then first we have to take 257 multiply with 231. First we have to multiply with 1. 1 7s are 7, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2. Then after that we have to multiply with 3. 1 is over, next 3. 3 is in tens place, 3 is in tens place. So we have to keep a 0 in unit place. Then 3 7s are 21 to carry over on tens place. 3 5s are 15, 16, 17. 7 is in hundreds place and 1 carry over on hundreds place. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Next we have to multiply with 2. 2 is in hundreds place. We have to take 2 zeros in ones and tens. Now we start multiplication with 2. 2 7s are 14 and carry over on 1 on 100 tens place. Okay. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11 and here 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Now add 7 plus 0 7, 7 plus 0 7, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 0 6, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 4 13, 9 plus 4 13, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 1 9 and this 5. It is 59,367. What is your answer? 59,367. Now this M. So this is a 3-digit number, this is also a 3-digit number. So we have to multiply 3-digit number with 3-digit number. 410 we have to multiply with 120. First we have to multiply so this number with 0. 0 zeros are 0, 0 ones are 0, 0 fours are 0. Now 2 is in tens place, 2 is in tens place. It means first we have to keep a 0 in unit place, then you start your multiplication with 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Now after that start your multiplication with 1. 1 is in hundreds place, so in ones, tens, keep zeros first. Then you start your multiplication. 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4. Now you add 0, 0, 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 4. 49,200. This is your product. Then after that M N. 259 with 200, it is a very easy. We have to multiply 259 with 2 first. 2 nines are 18 and 1 here. 2 fives are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 means 1 here. 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 518. Here 2 zeros we have, that 2 zeros you have to keep here. 51,800 here also. 450 with 300 means we have to multiply with 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 fives are 15, 1 here. 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, and here 2 zeros, that 2 zeros you have to keep. Then 1,35,000. Here 500 with 500. So then how to multiply? First you multiply 5 with 5. 5 fives are 25. Here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, total 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,50,000. 2,50,000. In this way we have to find the product. So if a 3-digit number with a 2-digit numbers, according to that we have to do. So if multiplication with 100, multiplication with 10, multiplication with 500, whatever it is, according to that you have to follow and you have to multiply and find the product. Okay. Yes, now students, here the third question, fill in the missing numbers. Here in the boxes, so here some boxes are missing, so we have to fill so in that box. Okay, first 8 into 7 is equal to what? 8 sevens are what? 56. 8 table. 8 sevens are 56. Next here, so dash into 5 is equal to 30. It means in 5 table when you will get 30, that you have to check. Okay, 5 6 it means 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30. In this way we have to check. Here 5 into 4 is equal to dash, means 5 table, 5 4s are 20. In here 8 into what is equal to 64. So in 8 table when you will get 64, in 8 table when you will get 64, 8 8s are 8 8s are 64. Next here what into 4 is equal to 48. In 4 table when you will get 48, means 12, 12 4s are 12 4s are 48, 12 4s are 48. Then in 9 table when you will get 81, 9 9s are 81. Next in 7 table when you will get 63, 7 9s are 7 9s are. Then 10 sevens are 70, 10 sevens are 70. In this way we have to fill our boxes. Okay. As now students, see here, so what problems? So here first question, Puneet's father paid the money for the water cooler in 50 rupee notes. 50 rupee notes. So he gave total 139 notes. How many notes? 139 notes to the dealer. What was the cost of water cooler? What was the cost of water cooler? So he paid money in 50 rupee notes. In 50 rupee notes. total how many notes he paid? So 139 50 rupee notes. Then how much amount he paid means, so we have to multiply number of notes with 50. So why 50? So all are 50 rupee notes, all are 50 rupee notes. So that is why, so we have to multiply with 50. Okay. Now steps we have to write first. Puneet father paid amount in rupees 50 for water cooler. $139 rupees 50 notes he paid. That implies total amount he paid. Total he paid is equal to, so total 139. How many? 139 with 50. 139 with 50 we have to multiply with 50. Now how to multiply? It is very easy. We have to multiply 139 with 5. 139 with 5. First 5 with 9. 5 9s are 5 with 9. 5 9s are 45. 45 and 4 here. Next 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 19. 9 and 1 here. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 6 and this 0 as it is. How much amount he paid? 6,950. Therefore, total amount he paid, is equal to rupees, total amount he paid. How much? Total amount he paid 6,950. This much amount he paid. So, okay. Next, the second question. One complete set of class 4 copies. Set 4 copies cost 202 rupees. How much money did class of 42 children pay to the book shop owner if all of them bought? So then first, how many, so what is the cost of one set? 202 rupees. Then total how many copies were there? 42. 42 children were there. Total 42 children means, so 42 copies they need. Then if they purchase, all children they purchase books, then how much amount they has to pay to the shopkeeper? It means, so first one set how much cost? 202. Then how many sets they need? 42 sets. Then 42 sets how much amount? So first we have to find that amount. So multiply 202 with 42. First steps. 1 class 4 set cost rupees 202. Then 42 sets cost is equal to 202 with 42. We have to multiply 202 with 42. 202 with 42. 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, 2 2s are 4. Again with 4 means 1 0 we have to keep first. It is in tens place. 4 2s are 8, 4 0s are 0, 4 2s are 8. Now you add 4, 8, 4, 8. This much amount they has to pay. Therefore, total amount, total 8,000 rupees 8,484 they paid to shopkeeper. How much paid? They paid to the shopkeeper. How much amount they paid? 8,484 rupees they paid to the shopkeeper. This much amount. Here how much they paid? The total amount 6,950 rupees. So he paid for water cooler. So here how much amount? 42 children they paid 8,484 amount. Okay, this much amount they paid. Yes, now students, here enrichment activity. In this enrichment activity, so what is the main aim of this activity here? So by using this means, by practicing this activity, so we can know multiplication tables up to 13 times. It means, so you can know till 13 tables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, till 13 tables you can know. So then material, so what material we need? We need 2 packs of playing cards, 2 packs of playing card. 1 pack of playing cards we have 4 sets. How many sets? 4 sets. In 2 packs 8 sets we have. So what is there in the set? See here, in the set A, Ace, this is Ace card, this is number 2, this is number 3 card, number 4, number 5 and number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, total 10 cards. First card is Ace, this is Ace card. Which one Ace card? So I will show you Ace card. This is a Ace card. So here A is there, A means Ace card. So A we can represent, this is number 1, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is 7, then 8, then after 9 and 10, till 10. So 10, all the numbers were written on these cards. So this Ace card, so there is no number, it means we assume that this is 1. So then after that Jack, J means Jack, this is 11. So we assume that this is 11th number card, Then after that Queen, this is Queen card. So this we assume that this is number 12 card. Then this is number 13 card. Total how many cards? Total 13 cards. So this is one set. This is complete one set. How many sets we have? Say 4 sets we have. Like this we have 4 sets in one pack. Here we need total how many packs? 2 packs. In 2 packs total 8 cards we have. So 8 cards means at a time 8 members can play the game. So 8 members can play the game. So first, so take one packs. From this pack 8 students they select one card from this pack, 1, 2, any one card. So 8 students, if 8 students can select one card each. So suppose first students, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Total how many students? Number of students? 8 students they are playing. So these 8 students they are playing the game. Suppose from this pack, if one student pick a card, so that is number 2. Second number card he picked. So this card he picked. Suppose. So then he picked one card. So then after that, this first student he picked number 2. Second number card. This second number student he picked 5th number card. This he picked. Suppose this number card he picked. So like this. This is a 5th number card. So in this way, third student he picked 8th number card. And fourth he picked Queen. Queen means, so that is your 11th, number 11. Number queen is number 11, no, in your textbook it is there, queen is 13th, queen is 13. Then and fifth student he picked ace, ace means 1, number 1, ace means 1, and sixth number student he picked number 7 card. If seventh student he picked, so one more number, that is sixth number card, and eighth he picked king, king is 12th number, king is 12, queen is 13, and ace is first and jack is 11th. So in this way, so ace is 1, so then after that jack, jack is number 11, king, king is number 12, queen number 13. So these are the card numbers. Then after that remaining card numbers there on the card. So okay, so they picked, so 2, 5, 8, 13, 1, 7, 6, 12. So this card they picked. Then after that, so whatever cards left, that cards you keep, so middle in between them. In between means, so they should sit in a circle, and remaining cards they should keep in the middle. And first student, so in the remaining cards, if first students, he has to pick one card from that remaining cards. So maybe that card is a 13th number card. So some cards, whatever the cards left after taking the cards, so these 8 students, 8, 9, 10, 11, whatever. So students, after picking the cards, different number cards, then the remaining cards they should keep in the middle, and number wise first students he should pick a card from the middle. So it should be a 13 number. So then he should multiply this 13 number with this 2. What he is having? 2. 2 into 13, he has to multiply 2 with 13. 2 13s means 13 2s are 26. He has to find the product, and after that, so second number student, so his turn. So when his turn will come, he also pick one card, so from the remaining cards. So that card may be a 12th number card. Then after that he should multiply, so 5 with this 12. 5 with 12 means 5 12s means 12 5s, that is 60. He has to find the product like this. If third number student he pick, so one card from the remaining cards, so that should be a 6th number card. Then he has to multiply 8 with this 6, 8 6s. So then he has to write the product. Okay, and the fourth student, when the fourth number student turn will come, then so he should pick one of the cards from the pack. Then it should be a 7th number. Then he should multiply 13 with 7. 13 into 7, 13 7s are 91. So in this way, all the students they should pick one card from the remaining cards. Whatever number will come, they should multiply that number. So with what they have, the card with them. So with that number they should multiply. So they will get different product. In this way they should practice. So what is the product of the numbers? So from this activity they should know the multiplication tables from 1 to 13. Okay, students.